Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to print a simple pattern. See, pattern is nothing but printing the information in two-dimensional format. Nothing but in rows and columns we are printing. Here first I just want to print one pattern. Suppose here it is. I am printing that 9 stars, that in 9 rows I want to print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows and 9 columns. I just want to print stars like this. Sir, how can we display this pattern with the 9 rows and 9 columns? It's important. 2 loops required, outer loop and inner loop. Outer loop is representing the number of rows. Outer loop is not responsible for printing the pattern. Here, if I am writing that outer loop, so total how many rows are there? Total 9 rows are present. So, we are repeating I value int I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 9, I plus plus. 9 times we are repeating the loop. Here I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here outer loop is representing the number of rows. First of all, I value 1, the control will come inside with I equals to 1. So nothing but we are displaying the first row. Now here in the first row, here you need to print total 9 stars. Nothing but inner loop you have to repeat exactly 9 times. We are taking another loop for j equals to 1, j less than or equals to 9, j plus plus. We are writing. How many times it will repeat? First, it will come inside with a j value 1. J value 1. So this star will print only one time. Sir, how can we print? System.out.print. Don't use println, because we need to print stars side by side. Println means what? We'll send the control to the next line. Printing one star. Star printing. This star will print. Next, that loop will repeat. Inner loop only will repeat, as we know already. Once inner loop execution completed, then only the control will go to the outer loop. So here, now inner loop, j value become 2. See, still I value 1 only. Now the j value is 2. This is j value 2. This star will print. Next again loop will repeat. J value 3, this one. J value 4, j value 5, j value 6, j value 7, j value 8, j value 9. So total 9 stars will print because inner loop repeats exactly 9 times. Once inner loop execution completed, then we need to send the control to the next line. Cursor has to start printing here, or else cursor will print here only. How can we send the control to the next line? Println. So here, after completion of this for loop, system.out.println we have to write. Println. It will send the control to the next line. Now the cursor is waiting here. Once inner for loop execution completed, from here control will go to this outer loop. Now again I value become 2. I value become 2. So now that second one, control come inside. Again here, j value starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After printing inner loop 9 times, again it will send the control to the next line. Here it is, I value become 3 is the third row. Inner loop repeats 9 times. Every time 9 times execute. Here it is, third iteration, it will print like this. So total outer loop repeats how many times? 9 times. Inner loop, every time it will repeat 9 times. 9 into 9, 81 stars will print in exactly 9 rows and 9 columns. What is pattern? Displaying the information in two-dimensional format like rows and columns. Outer loop represents number of rows and inner loop represents number of columns. This is the simple structure to display this pattern. So based on this pattern, so many examples we will discuss in the coming videos. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.